Do you want to unrestrict someone on Instagram account? You can unrestrict any restricted followers in Instagram with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unrestrict someone on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To unrestrict someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the home screen. Now you are on your Instagram profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner of your profile screen. A new screen appears with various Instagram settings. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section. Under this section, you will see different options. Find and tap on Restricted from here. Now a new screen appears where you'll see a list of accounts you've restricted. Find the person you want to unrestrict, tap Unrestrict next to their name, and they will be unrestricted. After unrestricting, the person can now interact with you normally and will be able to see your posts and stories on Instagram.